Looking for yet another way to help mainframe users be more productive? Reflection can automatically display different tabs on the ribbon depending on what screen you are on. For any screen in the Reflection terminal, you can provide quick access to any special macros or utilities that would be particularly useful for that situation. Here is a screen familiar to many mainframe professionals. Watch what happens when I enter 2 for Edit. A new tab on the ribbon pops up, providing access to custom macros or other functions just for this screen. Or 3 Utilities. Or 4 Foreground Tasks. For any special screen or panel in any mainframe application, a corresponding custom ribbon tab can be created to help with it. So, how are custom tabs displayed on Q like this? First, you need to define some custom tabs for your ribbon. This is done in Reflection's UI Designer. Add some new tabs to the current ribbon configuration for each screen you want to have a custom ribbon tab. Notice that by default, the new tabs are not going to be visible. The UI Designer assigns an identifier for the tab, but you can use whatever label text desired. Add buttons or other controls to each tab to run whatever macro or tool you need for a particular screen. Next, make the custom tabs show up when needed using some simple Visual Basic code. It's easy. You can adapt this example to work with screens from your host system. Open the Visual Basic editor. We need to add code to Reflection's new Screen Ready Event Handler function. Here's where to find that. Visual Basic will automatically add a stub for this function when it is selected from the drop-down list. Reflection will run this function every time a new screen is received from the host system. When identifying text is found on the screen, a custom ribbon tab for that screen will be displayed. Here's how to do it. First, declare some variables needed, one for the ribbon itself and one for each custom tab. Assign each variable as shown. Reflection's built-in ThisView object has methods for accessing the ribbon. The getControlById method uses the ID value seen in the UI Designer to find the needed ribbon element. Next, check the screen to see if identifying text is present. The Edit panel on the mainframe can be identified by text at row 3, column 33, length 16, that is equal to Edit Entry Panel. If this text is found here, show the tab particularly for this panel and make it the selected tab. Or, if this text is not present here, hide the Edit tab. Follow a similar procedure for each tab you want to show for a particular screen or panel. That's all there is to it.